Hello everybody, I've just been sitting outside in my garden and it's been quite a windy day actually, so I thought, wonder what I could use the wind to do, and I had a thought about some of the things that we can throw. Look, I've made an aeroplane. Now my boys are really competitive and they like to know which is going to go the furthest, so I made this one and I'm going to throw it in a moment. I've actually put my name on it and I've put a number 1. I'm going to show you how I've made mine. I've done a fold like that, sitting outside at my picnic table. Let's hope this sun stays like this. And I'm going to fold one corner in like that to make, oh, what shape's that? It's a triangle. I'm going to do that. I'll do it like this so I can maybe show you. Not very good at this really. Filming myself seems very strange so. And I'm going to do it again, keeping the point there. Then like that. One fold. Keep folding again towards the middle line. Make sure you move it so it's flat. Can't really see it there, but there we are. And I'm going to do it again. So I'm folding it in right up to that line there. 1, 2, 3 times. Okay, then I'm going to turn it over and I'm going to do the triangle fold again. I might need some help doing this, but that's okay. One triangle fold. Fold it down so that you've got the straight part down to the bottom of your aeroplane. And I'm going to fold this bit down again. Now, this is just the way I make paper aeroplanes. You might do it a different way. Mummies and daddies and even some of your family who might be sending you video messages at the moment might be able to tell you a better way. But there's my paper aeroplane. It's got a place for me to hold. Now, it's still windy. You can probably see my hair's blowing a little bit and the trees behind me on my hedge are doing it. Now, it's really important that I know who's going to have the winner here. So I'm going to put Mrs. Gaddis on it again because, you know, I like to do my very best. Mrs. Oh, I've done the Mrs. Okay, now this might be backwards for you, but you are really good at writing your names. Lots of you are able to write the first letter of your name. Some of you can even write all of it. It's really important, especially if you're starting full-time school in September, that you have a go at being able to write your first letter. Mine's for Mrs. What's your first letter of your name? Maybe you could write it on your aeroplane because we want to know who's the winner. And I'm going to do the G for Gaddis, Mrs. Gaddis. Now, if that was paper aeroplane 1, and I've put number 1 in a circle, I'm going to put number 2 and put it in a circle here. Now, it might be back to front, I'm sorry, I'm not very good at working the camera so that it shows everything the right way around, but 1 and 2. So I've got 1 and 2. Number 1, number 2. I'm going to see if I can throw them now along my garden and see which one's going to go the furthest. Now, you might have to help me because we might need to do a little bit of measuring now. Now, number 1, okay. Oh, let's see if I can find how far it's going to go down my garden. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, can you see where that one went? Oh, can you see the lemonade bottle I've been holding my iPad up on? I don't know if we can even see where that one went. Didn't go very far though. Now, oh, iPad's got stuck. Let's see if we can go better with the second one, okay? See if number 2 is going to go further. In fact, I'll stand up for this one and then we might need to go and do some measuring. So here's number 2. See if I can go, see how far it's going to go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Now, I can see both of them there. Now I've got to see how many footsteps it takes for me to go and reach them. Now I'm going to do footsteps all the way to number 1. 1, 2, you can't even see my feet here, but you know what I'm doing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I've got 13 footsteps all the way to reach my number 1. So I know you can't really see this very well, but maybe if you do it at home, maybe you'll be able to take better photographs than I can. I'm struggling to try and do it with my camera, but see if you can make a better aeroplane than me, because mine really didn't go very far at all. Have fun. Bye.